Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial on NailPossible. In this video, we're going to make a design using nail stamping and foil over matte nails. We're gonna start as always applying a base coat. Now we're gonna apply our base color. I'm going to be using a light gray nail polish. I'm going to add a second coat to even out the color. We clean up the cuticles. Next, I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat to speed up the process. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. You can just wait for the polish to dry. Once it's dry, we apply a mattifying top coat. And now that the matte top coat is dry, we can start stamping our design. I'm going to use a MoYou London Scandi plate, a gold nail polish, and gold foil. We're going to be using this image right here, and we're going to pick up the image as usual. We stamp the image on the nail, and immediately press the foil over the image so the foil sticks to it. And now we repeat this process on the rest of the nails. It's very important that everything is dry before you start stamping. I waited about 3 hours because, as you can see here, I'm applying a lot of pressure, and if your nails are still wet when you press the foil, it will stick to everything, not just the image. Also, super important to have everything you're going to be using ready to go, because you need to work as fast as possible. If you take too long, the foil won't stick to the image. Now all we have to do is clean up the residue. And we have finished our design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!